Hey everybody, it is Friday, March 27th. For today, you're going to read chapter 12, and then I did add a summative retake. In fact, if you haven't taken the other summative and just want to take this one to see how you do, that's fine. Quite a few people need to retake this. You do not have to let me know. Just go in and take it if you want. I will put the highest grade of the two tests that you get into the grade book, okay? But several of you need to do the retake because you did not do so well on the first one, okay? As always, there's Miss Anderson's reading of chapter 12, and that is it for today. If you passed your test, we had several A's, so kudos to those of you that got an A. Then you don't really have anything other than chapter 12 for today. But those of you that did not do well on the test, the only thing Mrs. Anderson and I could figure is that you're not reading it or you're not reading with a purpose. You have to make sure that you're comprehending what you read. Use some of the strategies that we've taught you with the close reading. If you have to stop at the end of a page, summarize what you just read. Just do that mentally, verbally. Tell someone else what you're reading about. I know I have one student who said he and his mom are reading together, and he is scoring incredibly well on his tests and assignments. So maybe if you get somebody at home to read with you, that might help you to have somebody to kind of talk about the book. Because I know in class that's what we would be doing. And then starting next week with our online learning days, Tuesday afternoon and Thursday morning, that's certainly what we'll do. We'll start talking about the book and give you guys an opportunity to ask questions before moving into an assignment so that you feel confident. Because at the end of the book, we'll have another test. And we want you to do well on that. We are putting grades in the grade book. So you need to make sure you're keeping up with that also. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Reach out to myself or Miss Anderson. We're available on email all day today. And we're here to help you guys. Hope you have a great day. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. Talk to you all on Monday. Bye.